Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is John and this is your Modern Tech Breakdown. Today I'm looking at the EU's latest attempt to regulate AI. Let's jump into it. Alright, so I did a video yesterday on California SB 53, which is the latest attempt by California politicians to regulate AI. And today I have somewhat of a similar story from the EU, but they are way ahead in their regulation regime building effort. They have passed a law already called the AI Act, and now the bureaucrats in Brussels have issued their first decree on it called the Code of Practice. And I skimmed through the 40-page document that focused on safety and security, and it was clearly written by government officials. We have flowcharts and processes and endless definitions. Great reading if you're having trouble sleeping. But here we go again with a government effort to supposedly protect the public from those super dangerous chatbots. But let's just take a look at one section here about the capabilities that they are worried about. They're worried that a chatbot could potentially cause, quote, persistent and serious infringement of fundamental rights, unquote. I mean, can someone tell me how Google Gemini is going to infringe on your fundamental rights? How could that happen exactly? Also, they're worried about a model manipulating, persuading, or deceiving people. That seems rather broad to me. Almost any model could be found to be guilty of that if it responds with some facts that a government official doesn't like. And I think this is intentional. This code of practice includes so many things that if they want to attack an AI company for violating it, they can. It's not really a law that you can follow. It's open to so much interpretation that it's basically not possible to comply. And that's a feature, not a bug, because it empowers the people in the EU bureaucratic machine with some very significant power over the industry. So I'm concerned about the over 15% of my audience that is in the EU. If these government officials have their way, I think you guys are going to have a completely different experience with AI than the rest of the world. This situation reminds me of when Google was trying to compete in China with its search engine. The Chinese government made Google censor search results. You can see here how different the search results are for Tiananmen based on the censored Chinese version and the rest of the world. Obviously, the EU hasn't been able to enact that level of censorship yet, but this code of practice feels like the first step in that direction to me. And I'll just wrap this up by acknowledging that it's pretty clear from my accent that I'm American. The EU is not my continent, and I'm rather annoyed when folks from other countries try to tell me as an American how my country should work. So I'll just say this is my opinion. You guys can do whatever you want over there. But for me here in the United States, I don't want any of this type of government interference anywhere near our technology industry. But hey, if you disagree, that's cool. Drop a comment below and we can discuss it. But regardless, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you next time.